Google Ads is just a tool, like fire is just a tool. It depends how you use the tool as to the results you're going to get. Use fire well, you can toast your marshmallows. Use it badly, you'll burn down your tent. Google Ads, kind of the same. There are loads of people that have said, yep, we tried it, we used it, it didn't work. It melted a credit card. We haven't touched it in 3 years. If that's you, I would urge you to give it another try, because used well, it can be an amazing tool. Let's talk about Google Ads and how it can help your business, because I love growing businesses. It's what I've always loved to do. You mentioned in the intro that I've written the book with Perry, who's speaking on Friday morning. Please make sure you get to that session. It's going to be absolutely fantastic. The 80-20 of sales and marketing. He's a very, very smart man. We're going to talk about Google Ads, and our goal is to understand how you can use it to be more profitable in your business, whether you're helping clients as an agency or whether you're doing this for your own business. But Google Ads is just a tool, like fire is just a tool. It depends how you use the tool as to the results you're going to get. Use fire well, you can toast your marshmallows. Use it badly, you'll burn down your tent. Google Ads, kind of the same. There are loads of people that have said, yep, we tried it, we used it, it didn't work. It melted a credit card. We haven't touched it in 3 years. If that's you, I would urge you to give it another try, because used well, it can be an amazing tool. Now, we've got an hour together, so I'm not going to turn you into a master of Google Ads in an hour. But if this piques your interest, if this gets you thinking, yeah, maybe I should go and check out this thing called Google Ads, or go and check it out again. Or maybe you've already started the journey and you really want to get better at this. So I'm going to give you a 3.5-hour course for free, just as a thank you for being here. If you go to that URL, agencysavvy.com/scale, you don't even have to remember the code. It's all going to be done for you. The team are amazing. They've set all that up. So go grab that at the end of this presentation if you would like to continue your education in the Google Ads space. I've also put in there my audit in a box. So if you're already running Google Ads, it's worth it just for that. Agency Savvy members have said this is worth their annual membership. So this is a 40-page report with your data. We don't get to see it. You just plug this in, you load your data in with one click, and it will show you all of the little pieces inside your account and help you diagnose any problems and help you get better. So that's all included at that URL. But I thought I'd start by just trying to summarize actually what Google Ads is. I know many people here won't have ever tried Google Ads. Maybe you're running Facebook ads for your business. Maybe you saw Tom Breeze's thing this morning and you thought, yeah, I definitely need to give YouTube a go. But maybe you haven't given Google Ads a try yet. So let's all just make sure we know exactly what we're talking about and just get us all up to speed with this one slide. And instead of talking about the geeky stuff, let's flip this around. Let's think about this from your prospect's point of view, because there's a human being on the other side of all of these ads. So let's take her point of view and see it through her eyes. She is going to see a number of ads as she wanders around the web. Text ads, you're pretty familiar with, up at the top of Google. Shopping ads are those little square image ads with a price underneath. Banner ads, obviously, we've seen those for years and years. And as Tom talked about this morning, YouTube ads. And who hasn't seen a Grammarly ad on YouTube recently? Now, Google splits into these two separate networks. So as advertisers, we get to choose to use either or both of these, the search network or the display network. And why would somebody see these ads? Why would they bump into these ads? Well, search and shopping, your prospect is actively searching for an answer to their problems, a scratch for their itch, if you like. They're looking for a product or a service. They're on the front page of Google, they're searching. That's where they're going to see those types of ads. The display network, That's 2 million plus websites at this point, and over 1 million apps as well. So while you're browsing, could be huge sites like Oprah.com or ESPN.com, could be Google-owned sites like YouTube and Gmail, or it could be one of the thousands of tiny little blogs and forums that are part of this display network. Essentially, the owners of those websites have gone to Google, said, give us a bit of code, put some ads on our site, and we'll split the revenue. Okay. And when would you want to use these different types of ads? Well, if you want to get more leads and sales, then you're going to start with the search network. Search ads, and if you're a retailer, then shopping ads. You must be selling physical products to show those shopping ads. And if you want to create more brand awareness, you may create leads and sales through this, but more about getting in front of lots and lots of people, getting people to know who you are and build those relationships. Then you might focus more on the display network.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you truly enjoyed it. I'm Alessio Pieroni and I'm the founder of Scale for Impact and obviously of Scale with Alessio. In this channel you can find some of the most amazing marketing content, the content that will help your online education business to go to the next level. And if you want to see other videos like this one, please subscribe to this channel. It means really the world for us. And please also comment below and tell us how you found this video. It's truly important. If on the other side you want to go to the next level and you actually want to make sure that you can watch the entire talks from the Scale series, you want to see over 50 speakers, people that have been changing the entire marketing landscape, and see exactly how these can take your business to the next level, please subscribe to the Scale series. For just $99, you're gonna get the chance to see some of the most amazing speakers, and on top of that, get a lot of other bonuses. You're gonna have 3 amazing books completely for free inside that, tens of hours of other marketing training, all of it for just $99. Literally, that's just $2 per talk. And we're not talking about random speakers. We're talking about people like Jay Abram, people like Alex Cattoni, Vishen Lakhiani, Jeff Walker, Perry Marshall, Rich Sheffrin, Molly Pittman, Murray Smith. Incredible people that changed the entire marketing landscape right now at your fingertip for just $2 each. So don't wait anymore. It's time for you to get the Scale series. See you there and upgrade your marketing knowledge.